here. One of the neat things you can do with deep sea is, in order for me to reset these, I gotta have the engine running and the ECM powered. Deep sea allows you to ignore certain SPNs, so obviously you don't want to ignore shutdowns entirely, but the way I got it running was ignoring the SPNs related to the dosing pumps. Who cares if we don't have ignition, emissions? You don't want to ignore just an ECU red or amber light. So it's pretty cool. So I'm going to get into the dosing unit, or the DEF filter here, and you know, it's pulling, but if you look, that outlet right there, that's kinked right here. You can see that sharp kink in there. I don't know, because usually these lines have heaters. I don't know if that's going to relieve the kink in it. We will see. You know, if it damaged it, I have to get another line. Got that kink out, but due to the style of hose, I still got to pull it taut because it's collapsed on the inside. Just to show you. And then there was a leak sitting up there, so it wasn't building pressure up there. And now we're going 1 sec. Every time the those are all non-active, which is good. So test. Start. And then drop. So if you watch, we won't build a lot of pressure right away. We'll kind of hang out around here, and this will scale. And then listen to the pump. It's nothing to do with moving this connector here. It's just me pulling taut. Yeah. And then you'll see we take a climb. Yeah. And we'll climb right up above the fault set criteria, which is, I think it sets it below 60 psi. Pump throttles down because it's loaded with pressure. Then it has bypass for backflow. And as soon as I let off here, relax the tension, the pump goes down, and yep, and then just to show, it's nothing to do with me moving the connector, but even though you're going to get a whole new fitting just due to that kink. So we'll do a filter and a new hose. So we want that NOx to come down. All green, that's good. All filter reset, NOx comes down. Kind of unrealistic number, 2991, and then it went to 0. Sometimes when it gets it looks at the inlet, so there's another inlet NOx reading and then the outlet, and it can infer if your inlet is way less than your outlet, then that number is implausible, and it'll put a 0 there to get rid of it. It went to 0 and I shut it off and it went back. Sometimes with these, the way we got to shut the ECM down and turn it back on. In order for me to run this, I got to keep tension on that so I don't throw that that dosing pump fault. I got to get a new hose. But anyways, I want to make sure we don't need a new NOx sensor. And you're supposed to do them as a pair on these. So I'm going to shut down the battery, and you want to kill the ECM, all of it, switched and unswitched. Let it sit for like a few minutes, and then hopefully it'll reset that outlet NOx after treatment. It wasn't calling for any dosing.